Hey guys, and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and in today's video we've got another Louis Vuitton unboxing, and by the title of the video you're going to be knowing what the name is. Les Sables Roses perfume or fragrance, and it comes in, I've not actually unboxed this one yet, so this is going to be a true unboxing as and when we're coming across and doing it. We're going to try around with the lighting here for this video and the next one, so we're in the dining room. And so yeah, we've got the little bag it comes in, the kind of paper bag. They're not getting this seasonal right now, being, well, it's May at the moment. I might be watching this later on. And yeah, the kind of traditional colours, little blue bow, so go ahead and pull that up. Like so, lift the flap up the back. And there is a little bit of like a sealer, you can peel that off if you wanted to kind of seal whatever was inside. Ta-da-ta-da! So this is, if we can focus in, it says Louis Vuitton there, and at the top it says Les Sables Roses, and it's embossed into the paper. Got Louis Vuitton logo at the top, and it opens at the side, like almost like a wee chest wardrobe or something. It's quite cute the way it opens up, like so. And then we'll slide that out, and you get your little cardboard container, again Louis Vuitton at the top with a metallic finish. Slide that up, and the bottle for Les Sables Roses is quite dark, like a dark brown kind of colour, and it's got gold, the font is in gold there, and then the bottle itself is embossed with Louis Vuitton just below, and then it's got the initials just below there. At the top we've got a little magnetic clasp, like so. And again it says Louis Vuitton on the top of it in a silver font again. And it sits quite nicely in the little kind of paper base. You can buy, I think for like £400, the kind of canvas material kind of carriers, pods that this would slide into. But for the meantime, these are quite handy just having it on your vanity or your shelf, because it is lined with the fuzzy stuff on the inside there, and it slides in like so. And they can just sit quite nice doing their own thing on your shelf. With regards to scent of wee spray, and it's quite nice actually. It's not quite oody, it's quite so as I thought, it has like a oody kind of rose scent. On the Louis Vuitton website themselves it says Les Sables Roses is a timeless scent combining notes of oud, wood and rose into a heavenly aroma that invokes the magic of the desert. So that's the kind of, there's a big paragraph, but that's kind of the basis of it. So the dark bottles are kind of oody, and this is £275 for the oud ones, whereas the standard perfume like my Le Monde Satin, things like that, those fragrances are about £200 at the moment. So it's a little bit more expensive for the oud ones, but I think they're worth it because they last a bit longer in the day, you can smell it, and it's quite a strong scent as well. So if you're looking for something strong, this one's a little bit more feminine than the other ones. I like Ombre Nomade, I quite like myself, which I think is more my kind of taste, but Les Sables Roses is definitely a nice one if you want a lighter oud, if that's possible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. Ciao!